The committee challenged me as line minister for mineral development to see to it that Uganda's natural resources are actually developed in a way that citizens can speak of its beneficiation.
Ugandans, I'm a minister for East Africa, so my plan is to ensure that the two remaining pillars of the treaty, the pillar on monetary integration, and the pillar on political confederation, actualize in this time.
My experience at the UN and in the region will come in, and my priorities will be to make sure that whole government approach towards foreign policy. The issue of foreign policy is not only the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, all the ministries of trade, of health, of internal affairs, even parliament, so that we are all well coordinated and we deliver for Uganda, all the sectors.
But do you have a dual citizenship?
No.
Before I came in here, I definitely had two citizenships. That's the Ugandan citizenship and the Canadian citizenship. Like every young person who really aspires to do better, Uganda is my country.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.